So hello, today I'll show what my exactly research intern is going like at IIT Ropar. And so this is my lab where I used to sit daily and work and study the research papers already published on my field of interest. And this is a lab on living microorganisms, and this lab is basically under Dr. Vishwajit Mehendia. And so this lab is like this is our entry gate, and this is where one of our PhD scholars sits. And I used to sit here like for the majority of 2 months. This was my chair, that was Payal's chair. And this is cell culture part of this lab. And here cell are cultured basically. This is basin part, and this is a magnetic stirrer in which our brine solution is being mixed properly. This is an inside part of biomedical engineering lab, and this is a microscope which is present in our lab. This is also a microscope. This is weighing machine. Here it is currently a small monitor, but usually there was a large curved screen monitor by LG. This is liquid nitrogen tank. And so yes, that was my lab tour. We also have one more lab, but I'll show you that in another video. Okay, bye. The main procedure of this magnetic stirrer is that there is a magnetic piece inside it, and it has magnets inside this stirrer which rotates, and due to which the magnet here, which we added manually, rotates, and due to that rotation the solution gets mixed properly. Hello sir.
Hi.
Tell me about yourself.
So my name is Sayyid Tajamul Ashraf. I am from Kashmir, Srinagar. I was born there and then I studied there after my high school. Then I moved to Lucknow, where I pursued my B.Tech in mechanical engineering. And then I came back to my home, Srinagar, and because of the circumstances caused by the pandemic, it was very feasible for me to stay there in Srinagar. So I pursued my M.Tech there at IIT Srinagar, and I completed my M.Tech in 2023, and immediately I joined Dr. Mehendia's lab here at IIT Ropar, wherein I wanted to work on coatings, metal matrix coatings, etc. But here we work on a broader horizon of this metal matrix composed coatings, polymer coatings, and we are dealing with organic inorganic hybrid coatings, wherein we optimize and treat our coating formulations to yield the ceramic yield, and we are actually testing it and optimizing it for various applications, for high temperature tribological applications as well as low tribological temperature applications, interfaces in this machine designs, and our major this focuses on the surface coatings. So this is all about my work, and we also here work on this work is fundamentally this laboratory is working on fluid mechanics types of things and physics types of things. So in our laboratory there are 2-3 things going on, several projects going on. So one major area is that we study living soft matter in various geometries, and we study its dynamics, and we also study the dynamics in confined geometries like Helicia cells. Also here we study the cell dynamics, wherein we put the nanodiamonds in the different kinds of cells, majorly stem cells, and we studied dynamics. And the second project is apart from this, confined geometries and open which is channels. We study the dynamics of living soft matter in channels, simple channel and wide channel, etc. So also several scholars are working on other areas like water treatment, the water treatment, the treatment of the water that is contaminated by this pharmaceutical contaminants, etc. Another one is working on the this rheology at the interface, so Janus particles, etc. And previously this laboratory has produced several PhD scholars, among which Dr. Sada, Dr. Abhimanyu Kiran, Dr. Abhishek Kaushal, all are working. One is and Prabir Sehota also. Prabir Sehota worked on this diabetic bones, and he is currently an Humboldt Fellow in Germany. And Dr. Abhimanyu worked on this dynamics itself, dynamics type of things. And he worked on cell monolayers solely. So, and he's currently at this Harvard. And Abhishek Kaushal was there in Israel. Then, due to the war, this outbreak of war, he came back, and currently, then he was there in IIT Hyderabad. Now he is CFD engineer in some company there. Thank you. नहीं होगा एक्सपेरिमेंट में कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए मैंने क्या बोला प्रतिभा यहाँ आपने ही गिराने आप प्रतिभा मैंने को बोला प्रतिभा मैं इधर के लिए लैब के लिए अपना पेन फॉर्म
भाई क्या हो रहा है एक बार बता दे, एक्सप्लेन कर दे। नहीं, एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दे ये मशीन के बारे में।
उसको सिरिंज को हम कहते हैं, इससे ऐसे आगे जाता है, फिर हम
हेलो गाइस। तो हमारा एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या है, इंग्लिश विच वाला इंग्लिश में समझाने को। So this is our experiment. We have this straight channel in which will flow our fluid from this syringe pipe, and it will enter the straight channel from one point and will leave the channel at the other, and we are collecting the outward fluid in this small beaker. We have this machine which manages the syringe pipe.
यार आपका कैमरा ब्लर है थोड़ा सा।
Guys, बर्थडे पे iPhone गिफ्ट कर देना। So what we do is we give the flow rate from this.
इसको कुछ नहीं आता मतलब।
Yes, so we give the flow rate from this machine. We just go here and for flow.
वो इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया
क्या? ठीक है अब। हाँ, तो ये हम जानबूझ के किए थे ताकि दिखा सकें। इनफ्यूज मतलब जो ये हमारा सिरिंज पाइप का पुशर है वो पीछे की तरफ जाएगा।
इनफ्यूज मतलब आगे जाएगा।
इनफ्यूज वही आगे जाएगी। ये इसकी हम लोग नॉलेज चेक कर रहे थे। इनफ्यूज मतलब आगे जाएगा। अब हम लोग रेट पे जाएंगे एंड वी विल सेट द रेट टू नेक्स्ट रेट क्या है?
ये तो सही नहीं करी।
क्या
30 सेकंड की वीडियो बना दी,
वो तो डिलीट कर देंगे। तो ये रेट 240 रखना है। सो आवर नेक्स्ट रेट विल बी 240
इसका भी चल रहा है
माइक्रोलीटर पर मिनट। And then we'll press enter. Then we will put the time. Time will be 30 seconds only. And we will press enter. Then we will as soon as we press the run button, this movement jack will start pressing the syringe pipe from backward, and then the fluid will start flowing from this pipe towards the straight channel, and the outward flow will come into this beaker. This is our co-worker Devan Singh Rathod. Okay, so we will, and this is our camera setup, and
कोवर्कर दिखा दिया, मेरे को दिखाया ही नहीं। वाह,
50 lakhs by the way. And this is our main project lead, subtitles Mazdoor. And what we do here is, I've explained that thing. The camera captures the movement of particle. Currently we have added polyethylene microspheres particle into the fluid, and that camera captures, and that thing is shown up here, and these are the particles which is captured by the camera as we start there. And Payal, क्या हुआ? These fishy people always mess with the setup. He has good setup.
प्रेस 4 करता है, 10 का 7।
Guys, drawbacks of having giant fingers. Enter. Wait. As we wait.
रेडी पे तो
Yes. So we started recording.
2 सेकंड बाद
We started recording, and these particles are moving due to the flow of fluid, and we have to measure the time in which the particle enters the frame and leaves the frame. But right now we are not able to see any particle. Only one lonely particle is
like you.
Yes, we can see this particle going from here till here. Okay, so time is over.